Science and faith. He has given you a full understanding of the truth. 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 5. There is never any conflict between true science and our Christian faith. It is my own feeling that when all of the truth is known, it will be found that the Genesis story is a wonderfully accurate record of what took place when the world was created. This may be a telescoped record, giving only major points, but I believe it is scientifically accurate. To discard the Bible because we do not understand everything in it, or in the world, would be a foolish thing to do. Let me also suggest that teachers should confine themselves to those areas in which they are qualified. I have known unbelievers to attack the Christian faith through their teaching, even when they did not have the remotest idea of what true Christianity is. For instance, one does not send an art critic to write up a football game, or a sports writer to evaluate a painting. Ask God to give you the wisdom to keep things in their proper perspective, and above all faithfully read your Bible and pray every day. If you do, God will give you the faith and wisdom you need to meet any problem. Prayer for the day. Father, each day as I read the Bible you reveal to me more of the reality of your love and wisdom. I delight in your word.